police has a long history of discriminatory checks. It goes back to the colonies, and nothing has been done to fight back against discriminatory checks. We've launched, actually, we filed a lot of cases on discriminatory stop and frisk in the last 10 years. And in 2016, through a judicial reform, we finally received the class action in our legal tools. That's why, actually, we're changing of dimension this time. It's not an individual case or an addition of individual case that we're bringing to the Council of State. It is a class action.
We're talking about stop and search primarily, are we? This is racial profiling that happens in the streets. Can you give us a sense, some examples of the issues that we're talking about here?
Well, we have a lot of affidavits, narrative made by people who are victims of stop and frisk, but we have also witnesses from the police, from the inside, talking about the practice and the policies. Well,
forgive me, so you have police admitting to racial profiling?
Exactly, and wanted to back and support the action. Concretely, for people, we deal with kids, minors, going to school, arriving late because they cross the police, and the police stop and check them. Actually, in France, it's rarely only a check, and you have the palpation, you have a search, and it can take a lot of time. And in some cases, you have racial slurs, homophobic slurs accompanying the checks. And so with all those cases, plus the narrative by the police, plus the statistics and the legal and social studies and historical studies around stop and frisk in France, this allowed us to bring and to file the case today.